Nox-Crete offers a versatile, reusable precast formwork system. Discover the SRB Spartan Sideforms and the Titan Magnet System. A smarter, easier, stronger, and safer choice for precast concrete manufacturing. Add unparalleled levels of accuracy, flexibility, efficiency, and safety to your precast plant. Nox-Crete is the exclusive North American distributor for the SRB Formwork system and Titan magnets, with a large inventory in stock and ready to ship. The Titan magnet clamp securely attaches to the SRB Sideforms with a pull-down force of 3,968 pounds. The SRB Sideforms are available in numerous popular heights. A smarter, easier, stronger, and safer choice for precast concrete manufacturing. What sets SRB Sideforms apart is their lightweight design, making transport, setup, and repositioning faster and easier than ever. Let's look at the anatomy of the SRB Spartan Formwork system. Add unparalleled levels of accuracy, flexibility, efficiency, and safety to your precast plant. Together, Nox-Crete's products in the SRB system produces unrivaled results. Spartan Sideforms can be quickly and easily joined with the use of a joiner plate. The Spartan rubber end caps provide the ultimate seal and prevents concrete bleed between joined sections. Spartan Sideform extensions, fitted with external corner capping and rubber base insert kits, make panel setup hassle-free. This lightweight solution is a proven system with over 30 years in the industry, with groundbreaking innovations along the way. The Spartan Formwork system provides the complete solution for penetrations and window and door blockouts. Easily connect interior corner sections with the Spartan Sideform joiner plates. Sideform capping is available in various heights, with either a square chamfer or beveled chamfer. Spartan rubber base inserts are available in a variety of styles and provide a caulk-free seal between the steel bed and formwork. Keep your plant organized and your SRB system mobile with convenient workstation trolleys. Save time, save money, reduce your carbon footprint on annual unusable lumber. Add unparalleled levels of accuracy, flexibility, efficiency, and safety to your precast plant. Pair your SRB system with Nox-Crete's top-of-the-line release agents and application accessories for unrivaled results. Contact your local Nox-Crete representative for pricing and demo information.